today, high tide at 11:16 a.m. On Thursday, low tide at 12:27 a.m. High tide at 11:55 a.m. The water temperature at Galveston Bay entrance was 88 degrees. Here is the National Hurricane Center's tropical weather outlook for the North Atlantic, Caribbean Sea, and the Gulf of Mexico. Tropical cyclone formation is not expected during the next 5 days. 11 a.m. observations at Houston Bush Intercontinental, mostly sunny. Temperature 92, dew point 74, relative humidity 55%, heat index 101. Wind southeast at 6 miles an hour. Pressure 30.02 inches and steady. At Galveston, sunny. Temperature 92, dew point 75, relative humidity 57%, heat index 103. Wind south at 12 miles an hour. Pressure 30.04 inches and steady. Other regional observations, skies ranged from mostly sunny to partly sunny. It was 91 at Hobby Airport, 93 at Huntsville, 91 at Conroe, and 94 at Tomball. Dallas-Fort Worth reported 92, College Station reported 89, and San Antonio reported 86. Coastal stations, temperatures were between 86 and 89 degrees. It was mostly sunny at Lake Charles, Beaumont, Victoria, and Pawlachis. At Corpus Christi, it was cloudy. The buoy reports 20 miles east of Galveston, winds were south at 8 knots. 60 miles south of Freeport. Air temperature 84. Wave height 2 feet. This is a test of the NOAA Weather Radio's warning device. The preceding signal was a test of the weather radio station's public warning system. During potentially dangerous situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and 12 noon. If there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test will be postponed until the next available good weather day. Problems with reception of this broadcast, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Brazoria, Chambers, Fort Bend, Galveston, Harris, Liberty, Montgomery, and Waller. Repeating, this is a test of the NOAA Weather Radio's warning device. (11 a.m. observations at Houston Bush Intercontinental, mostly sunny.